Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber from my main channel 12_5tech, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and configure multiple protocols, including SSH, Slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks, all inside the Dark Tunnel VPN app. This guide will help you set up every protocol step by step for fast, secure, and stable connections. Let's begin with the very first part, creating our all-in-one server that we'll use throughout this tutorial. Before setting up any protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN, we need a server that supports all major protocols. To do this, open any browser on your mobile or laptop, such as Chrome or Firefox, and in the search bar, type SSH Tunnel and press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official SSH Tunnel website. This website provides servers for SSH, Slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks, all in one place. Once the homepage loads, tap on Login with Google to sign up easily using your Google account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your personal dashboard where you can generate servers. Now you'll see multiple regions available, including Asia, Europe, America, and Africa. Tap on the region you prefer, for example, Asia. After that, select your desired country within that region. I'll choose the UAE because it's closer to my location and usually gives better speed and stability. After selecting the country, you'll be redirected to an account form. Wait a few seconds for security checks to complete. Then fill in your details. Choose a username and a secure password, then complete the CAPTCHA verification. Once done, tap on Create Server or Submit. In just a few seconds, your all-in-one server will be created successfully. You'll now see SSH, Slow DNS, Shadowsocks, and V2Ray configurations available on your screen. Scroll down, and you can copy all of the details, such as IP addresses, ports, hostnames, and credentials. Save these details in a Notes app or text file, because we'll use the same credentials for each configuration setup in the next parts. Congratulations, your all-in-one server is ready. Now let's move forward and start setting up our first protocol in Dark Tunnel VPN. Alright, now that we have our server ready, let's configure SSH protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN. SSH is one of the most commonly used tunneling methods for secure browsing and bypassing restrictions. Start by opening the Play Store on your phone, and in the search bar, type Dark Tunnel VPN. From the results, tap on the app and install it. Once installed, launch the app, and you'll land on its home screen. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open the menu. From the list of options, tap on Inject Config. Now in the submenu, tap on Mode, and then choose SSH from the available protocol list. Next, you'll see several input fields where you need to enter your server details. Go to the notes or text file where you saved your server information, and carefully enter the SSH server's IP address, port number, username, and password into their respective fields. You can leave other options like payload or SNI as default for now unless your server provider specifies something custom. Once all information is entered, go back to the main screen and tap on the Connect button. You'll start seeing logs appear at the bottom of the screen. If everything is correct, you'll see a connected message, confirming your SSH tunnel is active. That's it for SSH configuration. Next, let's move to the Slow DNS protocol setup. Now, let's configure Slow DNS protocol. This one is very useful for bypassing firewalls and using the internet when other protocols are blocked. First, make sure you already have the Dark Tunnel VPN app installed. Open the app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the main menu. From the list, tap on Inject Config, then on Mode, and choose DNSTT or Slow DNS from the list of available modes. Next, we'll need the Slow DNS details from our all-in-one server. Copy the DNS IP address, port, and public key information. Now, fill these values into the corresponding fields inside Dark Tunnel's Slow DNS setup screen. Make sure the format is correct. A single error can prevent the VPN from connecting properly. You may also need to select a resolver or name server depending on your region. You can use Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 if the app asks for it. Once all the data is filled in correctly, go back to the home screen and tap on the Connect button. You'll see a progress log appear. If the setup is correct, it will display a message like DNS tunnel connected successfully. This confirms your Slow DNS configuration is working perfectly. Alright, we're done with Slow DNS. Now let's move on to configuring the next protocol, V2Ray. Now it's time to set up the V2Ray configuration. V2Ray is a powerful proxy protocol that offers advanced tunneling options with better speed and encryption. First, open the Dark Tunnel VPN app again. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the main menu. This time, select Config, then tap on Import. You'll see multiple options here. Choose Clipboard. This option allows you to paste the V2Ray configuration link you copied earlier from the SSH tunnel website. Make sure you've already copied the V2Ray link from your saved notes. Once you import it, Dark Tunnel will automatically detect all settings, including the server, port, and encryption type. If you prefer to set it up manually, you can tap Manual Config and enter details such as server IP, port, user ID, and alter ID. You can also configure the SNI or enable TLS if your server supports it. To do this, go to Network Settings and enable TLS, then type your SNI or host address in the provided field. Once all settings are correct, return to the main screen and tap the Connect button. Wait a few seconds. When the logs show connected, your V2Ray tunnel is live and secured. That's all for V2Ray setup. Now let's configure our last protocol, Shadowsocks. Finally, let's configure the Shadowsocks protocol inside Dark Tunnel VPN. Shadowsocks is another high-speed proxy option designed for privacy and reliability. Start by opening the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner to open the menu. From the list, select Tunnel Type, and then choose Shadowsocks. This will open a configuration screen where you'll need to enter your Shadowsocks details. From your all-in-one server credentials, copy the Shadowsocks server address, port number, and password. Paste them in their respective fields. Under Encryption Method, select the one provided by your server, most commonly AES-256-GCM or ChaCha20. If you want to use advanced settings like TLS or WebSocket, tap on Network inside the Shadowsocks configuration menu. Here you can enable TLS and enter your SNI if needed. You can also configure WebSocket settings if your server supports it. Once everything is properly filled in, go back to the main screen and tap on the Connect button. Wait a few seconds, and you'll see the connection logs appear. When it shows connected, your Shadowsocks VPN tunnel is now active and ready for use. Now that we've set up all four protocols, SSH, Slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks, let's wrap up the video with a quick summary. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create an all-in-one server and configure 4 different protocols in Dark Tunnel VPN, SSH, Slow DNS, V2Ray, and Shadowsocks. Each protocol has its own unique advantages, and now you can switch between them depending on your network speed, restrictions, or privacy needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed tech guides and VPN configuration tutorials. Your support helps me create more high-quality content like this. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.